This is part 12 of a series of videos where we create a corporate section zoom presentation template in PowerPoint. This is the key metrics slide. Let's create a new blank slide. So go over to home and create a new slide. Let's start with the shapes, and then we're going to select a rectangle and we're just going to draw one. Go over to fill, select no fill. Shape outline is going to be black. Go to shape outline again and change the width to 3. The height of this rectangle is going to be 16.9 and the width is going to be 31.65. And let's align this to the middle and also the center of the slide. Let's insert a text box. So go over to insert and text box. Going to type our text. This is key metrics. Select the entire text box. Change the font to railway. Size is going to be 44. Just increase the width of this. I'll just move it to around here. Now I'm going to just create a copy of this text and bring it down here. I'm going to change the text here to $1.2 billion. Select the entire text box and change the size of this text to 96. And just move this. Let's see. Okay, let's leave it at the center of our slide like this. Let's create another copy of either of the text boxes. Use Control, select, and change the font to Open Sans, and size is going to be 20. And I'm going to come to my notes, and under key metrics I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to paste it here. Let's select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans, size is 20. I changed it before, but PowerPoint changed it back. Select the two text boxes, align them to the center, align the text to the center. I'm going to reduce the width of this so I can have 3 lines in total. Select these two. Maybe I should give them just a little bit more space. Select both text boxes, go to shape formats, align, and I'm going to align center. Now let's create 2 more copies of this. So I'm going to copy this like this and then copy another one here. This is going to be 30% and this is going to be profit margin. This is going to be 92%, and I'm just going to copy the text from here. Going to paste it. Now let me just change the font back to Open Sans and size is 20. I'm going to select all of this text, go to shape format, align middle, and select this two, Ctrl G to group. Same with this two, Ctrl G to group, and then finally group these two. I'm going to move this so that it touches the edge of the edge of the rectangle that's outlined there, and I'm going to, this one already has, essentially it's already at the same position. I'm going to select all of this, go to align middle, or let's do align top. I don't want I want all these larger numbers to be in line. These ones can be wherever they are, and I'm going to distribute horizontally. Now I'm just going to move this up, all of them, so that we'll have them right around the middle. If let me just say here's fine. Now while these three are selected, let's go on to add our animation. So go over to the animations tab and then select float in. Start with this first one. Go to start, make it with previous. This one, make it after previous, and this one also is going to be after previous. I just want to check to make sure. Well, best way to see whether it's working fine is just to see it in the slideshow tab. So let's go ahead, and I was right, something was wrong because I noticed that the numbers weren't changing. I'm just going to select all the animations and delete it. I'm going to do that again, floating, and I'll start with this one. Animation, the start is with previous. This is going to be after previous, and this one also is going to be after previous. And run the slideshow again, and this is what I actually wanted. So yeah, this is the key metrics slide.